Wolverine Essentials originally started as a pantry, so it was called Wolverine Food Den. The need that students have extends well beyond just food. Food's important, but there are other basic needs that students have that can't be met. So that's things like school supplies, hygiene items, clothing. One of the most important additions that we've been able to add to this resource is personalized support. Many times students that need this resource also have other needs within their lives, so they may need some support within the community, be connected with other types of assistance. They may need to be connected with mental health services. They may have some other physical health issues. So we take a case management approach. When students come in, we look at them holistically.
Basic needs are just that. They're the fundamentals that we all need. If we don't have sufficient food, we don't have sufficient clothing or adequate clothing, we're not able to function as we need to. If we have members of our community among us, our students, who are dealing with the problem of having to do without, we want them to know that we have a place for them. And if they come in and use this service, we are fulfilling our mission in a number of ways. When we support our students in this way, we are supporting our community directly.